ICICI Appathon. The prototype name is retain it. Now if I just use my user ID and password that's been given to us, it will allow you to log in. Now we just click on submit. It uses the account inquiry balance API, account summary API, behavior score, as well as end date transaction API. So this particular page will give you all the information about account information, the behavior score, and also the account description. Now let's just check on other details. We click on document conversion first. What it does is that it allows a particular document to be converted to any form, and we have used Watson services for it. If we just click on choose a file and put it over here and click on open, it gives the output format in 3 formats. Now let's go back to the analyze trade-off. What it does is that it takes the data of 10 years of stock exchange of ICICI Bank, and it analyzes the data. So when we click on analyze, it will analyze the data and will show the output of it. Generally the data that's being provided over here, it uses trade-off analytics of Watson services, and it does fast analysis of last 10 years, and we get the data. We can include the data or exclude the data from here. Now if we just click on customer service tone analyzer, that's also one of the Watson services. So if you just click on it, what it does is that we are having a conversation between a customer and a customer agent who is interacting with it. We can just click on analyze that chat, and we can do a historical analysis of how the chat has been. So it's very easy to use and it's very helpful for daily usage. Now if we just click on stock related data and messaging, what it happens is that it gives the ready details of the stock. Now if the customer is added to the database, we will use the phone number of that person, and when there is a surge in the ICICI Bank market share, we can just give a call or send a message. So let us just test it. So if I just click on send message, when it increases, what we will get is that we get a call to that number, and that person will be notified accordingly. So we are getting a call over here. If you just receive it,
Hi, this is an auto-generated call from ICICI Bank with information that ICICI Bank share has increased.
so this gives the information that the bank share has been increased. Same way around, it would give the information if the share has decreased. Now if we just click on gesture enabled IBM services, we have used Intel RealSense over here. At times we feel that we do interaction from a particular distance, so gestures are the way to interact. So we have put it in a different category. Now it clicks. Now the gesture would be the Intel RealSense camera would get enabled right away. Now if I just use fist over here, so what it does is that it particularly opens a page which takes you to, which gives a call to my phone, and you will receive the call right away. So that's all about it. Thanks.